That's usually a round of applause. There's usually a competition later. Hi! Rubber cat? Rubber cats?
Pero kanina pa ako. Hey guys, good morning. So today I am at Robinson's Magnolia Atrium and I am attending today's MeowCon. In fact, we have a booth here for Caticorn and Caticorn Pets. So check out everyone. They're still setting up. And I think here are the participants. They're by the registration booth to enter the event. So we've got a lot of concessionaires like Nature's Protection, Purina out there, pet lovers, and then you can adopt cats here. Right across our booth, Cats of Manila, Vigor and Sage, and Ripple and Clean over there, and Pet Entity over there. So I am taking you around. Here's Purina, and then there's a cat show later in the afternoon. So ayan yung mga prizes and the trophies. They're still setting up the place. So I'll be speaking there later in the afternoon. And look at that. Here are the awards. Ang dami. I heard there are over 50 cats joining today. Hey, so I heard there are 50 cats, over 50 cats joining today, and they are still setting up while people are starting to enter. Hi! Hello! So yeah, so everybody's still busy. And the program will start at, I think at 11 or 1 o'clock. And yeah, I'll see you later. These are exclusively available today for shampoo stars. And there you go, madami na yung tao. Ito po si Coco. And that's Tuti.
Okay, that's delivering of these. I think that's about it.
Oh my god, so cute! Hi, so this is Ara. Hello! And one of our celebrity cats, Bunny. He's using also Caticorn Pets. Yes.
So guys, I don't need to describe it for you. Mailbox are one of the biggest cats there are in the cat fancy.
Oh my god, I want the main one. So my cats are finally here. Here's Coco, the face of Caticorn Pets, and Tuti, which is my sister's favorite. Kaya dun siya. So they're taking pictures with Coco and Tuti.
Ice has also this sets, really nice spots. The way you present it sometimes is to elevate the body to make sure that you guys see the full stretch, right? And then if you look at her belly, quite a different color. No one wants to touch the genetic spike because the folded is, it doesn't get as so when you get
Balahibo eh, sa hirap.
also you have folders. They go a special set. Daisy, he's a lot. He's a lot. Just then face and chill. Then face and chill. That's the type of
Ay, hindi yan. Ito yung mommy, kamukha niya.
Cute!
Yes.
So cute! Even your cleaners, just please remember that. Kasi lahat yun, i-inhale ang cats nyo. And what's very bothersome is your cats, remember this, your cats do not have a specific liver enzyme. They do not have that excretory function to flush out all those chemicals that they inhale. Unlike those in humans, very very natural system of chemicals to their bag, natatanggal natin sa body natin after X number of days. With cats, they don't. So when you use these products with tea, with peppermint, with lemon, orange, all these oils, when you use them around your cats, for example, if you use ka or you use it on them as shampoo or ear wash, na-absorb the body nila yun. And without you knowing it, without your pets knowing it, may ipon yun sa katawan nila. And slowly you are just causing it to them. Okay? So I guess that's all for today. That's just my tip of the iceberg. Tuti, pagod ka na? Ayaw mo na? Ayaw na niya mag-model. Tired na ako. No, kulang ng TF ko.
And then we're missing 2 more. 9 and 1 more. So, again, Manila 9, 20, 9. Kitten finals under Judge Remain 1. Cats, 23, 25, and 26.
Oh, cute. So it's 5 o'clock and marami pa rin tao. Okay, so we're still here. It's 5 plus. And kumusta yung green shampoo? So we're asking our mom to give more. There's Coco. And there's Tuti. People are still taking pictures with them. Pero pauwi na sila in a bit. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
You say you got a man, girl, he ain't me. And if he ain't me, you ain't got a man. You tell me he's reckless, you say that he's selfish. You know that I'm jealous. You're getting all of your love, you just don't get enough. Girl, you need a real man. Yeah. Hanging out the back all over your lap. Like, is you out with him? I don't wanna know that.